and welcome back to the Digital Strategist. Today we're going to look at influencer marketing with social media. Let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing today, which is influencer marketing. So, what is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is a partnership between a brand and an individual who can influence the audience's purchasing decision, behaviors, or opinions. These influencers act as a bridge between brands and their target audience. They have authority, expertise, and a trusted connection with their followers. So how can you be able to choose the right influencer? Not every influencer is the right fit. Here's what to look for. Number 1, authenticity. Nothing repels an audience faster than fake, salacy content. The best influencers feel real and relatable. Number 2, authority. Passion is great, but authority, based on experience, expertise, and status, makes people listen. Number 3, visibility. How large and active is their audience? Are they consistently seen and heard online? Number 4, marketing mindset. Great influencers know how to create engaging, campaign-worthy content and often collaborate with others in their niche. Number 5, creativity. Are they good at packaging content that captures attention? Number 6, engagement. How often does their audience interact with their content? Number 7, niche fit. Does their brand align with yours? Are they speaking to the audience you're trying to reach? Now, how can you be able to measure the success of your campaigns? Running a campaign, you have to make sure you track these metrics. 1, reach. How many people saw the campaign? Number 2, engagement. Those are likes, comments, shares. These show how well the message resonated. Number 4, conversion rate. How many people took action, clicked, signed up, or made a purchase? Number 5, return on investment. Did the revenue justify the spend? Number 6, brand awareness. Did more people learn about or remember your brand? Let's look at influencer relationship management. Influencer relationship management is all about building and managing relationships with influencers. Here's what it involves. Identify the right influencers. Reaching out and establishing rapport. Negotiating clear collaboration terms. Managing the content and performance. Measuring outcomes and optimizing future campaigns. Let me walk you through an example. Say you're a fitness brand. You find a fitness influencer on Instagram. Before reaching out, you engage with their posts, comment, share, and support their content genuinely. Then send a message like, "Hi Barack, I'm a big fan of your fitness journey. Your content has inspired me to stay active. I'd love to collaborate with you on a project. Are you interested?" Once they agree, you negotiate terms. Maybe they get free gear plus around $800 for Instagram posts over 1 month. From there, you monitor the campaign, provide guidelines, track performance, and stay open to feedback or adjustments. After the campaign, check results. How many clicks, sales, and interaction came from their posts? Did you hit your goals? Tip: use tools to simplify the process. Managing influencer campaigns can be overwhelming. That's where BuzzGuru by SEMrush comes in. It's an all-in-one influencer marketing platform where you can find influencers by filters or keywords, check estimated costs and audience insights, create media plans and track campaign performance, access in-depth reports and analytics. For example, planning a finance campaign, use BuzzGuru to filter finance influencers or even search directly by handle like Just Joy Candy to view their audience data, engagement rates, and pricing. From discovery to reporting, BuzzGuru handles the entire campaign cycle in one place. So, there you have it. what influencer marketing is, how to choose the right influencer, how to measure success, and how to manage relationships effectively. Influencer marketing is powerful when done right, strategic, authentic, and data-driven. And in the next video, we'll dive into social media measurement, one of the most important parts of any digital marketing strategy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.